Twisted Michigander here, wishing everybody a happy Thanksgiving and showing off something I just acquired. Went and visited the cousin a couple days ago. He had this sitting beside his house, asked me if I wanted it. So we loaded it up, and here it is. It's a 1971 Cub Cadet 127 garden tractor, electric lift, PTO on the front, 3-point hitch on the back. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Sure, I'm going to get it running though. And over here is my hammerhead. Sitting here, I'm working on the shifting lever, getting rid of the cable. I hated it bound up too much, and something a little different. Got a breaker bar I'm going to use for my shifting lever. Put a socket 90 degrees from it, 3/8, well, 3/8 socket with a piece of 3-inch rod coming out of it. Got a 3/8 time joint hook too. And then what I'm going to do is hook a socket this way on this, put it on this end of this extension with a 3/8 by 24 thread, and I will thread it. I can't hold the camera, and well, you can see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to thread it in like this. So this will be my shifting rod, at least to the swing arm. When I have to transfer, I have to make a switch over so I can get it to the left side. But and I'll go back from there with a couple more extensions. Something a little different. Like I said, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And if you're traveling, stay safe.